So when we entered the school at the administration, the upstairs, I started crying again. My father asked me why. I said, I don't like this school.
I don't like GSTS.
I don't like GSTS.
The way people are treating me.
I'll go to swim sector.
And the way I look at you, were smallish.
I was smallest then. I was smallish.
Whoa.
My brother. I will go to swim. Then a gentleman came from the office. He was also, I'm a Krubo. The gentleman was also speaking Krubo language because he saw my name.
Cheko.
Yes. He started talking to me in the language. Oh, GSTS is better. I was weeping and wailing, I'm telling you.
You want to carry your top box and go back home?
Because of the things I felt about the school, the way they would treat you.
The way Taban was even saying, if today, I wish I would go to GSTS.
But, when school reopened and then the seniors came, they've already told me. So I was much aware. Yeah. The way they treated us, my brother, I cried. It was after 2 weeks before I made up my mind. I'll stay here and I'll be tough. Yeah. I did it, and at the end, after Form 5,
became a giant.
I became a giant, and my brother, till date, I don't regret attending
going to GSTS
because one of our colleagues, he's called William Morton.
Morton, yeah.
He said he used to say this when he wakes up and then he dresses his bed. The wife asks him, who taught you how to dress the bed? Yeah. GSTS. When you dress your bed in the morning, they will take a T-square. They will put it on the bed, check if it is straight.
To check for squareness and straightness.
They will check the side. My brother, stop. Military.
I'm enjoying this conversation.
And a Form 1 boy, you can't talk to a Form 2 boy anyhow. No.
And they said, "No, you're soldier fool."
My mother. So in fact, go to GSTS. If I have to give birth again, my son will go to GSTS.